friends. I'm Olivia, and welcome back to Learn to Read with Olivia. Today, we're going to have so much fun learning about word families. Word families are groups of words that have the same ending sound. That means they rhyme. Like cat, hat, and bat. They all sound the same at the end. Let's rhyme together and grow our reading skills. Are you ready? Let's go! Here's our first word. Cat. Ka. E. Da. Cat. Now let's find other words that rhyme with cat. Repeat after me. Hat. Bat. Mat. Rat. Sat. Wow! All of those words are in the at family. They end with at, and they rhyme. Let's say them together one more time. Cat. Hat. Bat. Mat. Rat. Sat. You did great! Next up is the N family. Let's say the first word. Van. Va. E. Na. Van. Now let's rhyme with van. Can. Man. Fan. Pen. Tan. Nice work. Let's say the an family words again. Van. Can. Man. Fan. Pen. Tan. When words end the same, they belong to the same word family. Oink oink. Let's try the eeg family. Our first word is pig. Pa. E. Ga. Pig. Now let's find more eeg rhyming words. Dig. Fig. Wig. Big. Rig. Awesome rhyming. Pig. Dig. Fig. Wig. Big. Rig. You're doing so well. Let's try some more. Here's the op family. Our first word is ma. O. Pa. Ma. Let's rhyme with ma. Ta. Ha. Pa. Cup. Stop. Let's say them together. Ma. Ta. Ha. Pa. Cup. Stop. That's some great rhyming. Okay, friends. Let's play a quick rhyme game. I'll say a word, and you say a word that rhymes with it. Ready? Cat. Fan. 。 Pig Top. Man. You're a rhyming superstar. Now, let's try reading some sentences with word families. The cat sat on the mat. The man has a big fan. I saw a pig with a wig. Can you hop to the top? The van is by the pan. Wow! We're reading sentences now. Isn't that amazing? You're learning so much. Today we learned all about word families. We rhymed words like cat, hat, bat, and even read sentences. You're becoming a super reader. Keep practicing your rhyming words. Try listening for word families in your favorite books or songs. Thanks for learning with me today. Don't forget to subscribe and come back for more fun in Olivia's Learning Corner. Bye, friends!